What's up YouTube? Josh here with JCS Customs, coming at you today with a video that details cheap mods that literally every Camaro owner can do to their car. So do me a favor, if you end up liking today's video, go down below and absolutely smash the like and the subscribe button for me. That is greatly appreciated. So in today's video, I'm going to walk through some mods that are relatively cheap and pretty much anybody can do to their car. So we're going to walk through them. I'm going to show the web pages, and there's videos for every one of these mods on my channel, as you'll see later in the video today. And every mod has been done to my car. So first we're going to start off with some interior goodies here. So on RPI Designs, we have the visor decal warning label covers. We click it, you see that gaudy, just god-awful yellow and white airbag warning thing there. And you can cover that up with a simple sticker from RPI Designs. Now, you can see it's $13.99. It's not bad at all. And they offer custom lettering colors. And I use the black option for the ghost look. And you can literally type anything you want. On mine, I put 2019 so people would see what year my car is. So Next Gen Speed here offers a product that I think best spruces up the interior. And that's these aluminum air vent bezels. As you can see here on my car, I painted mine orange. But they do offer more colors than this. It's just a different link you got to press. But for $35,
Jesus Christ,
that's not bad. Now, Next Gen Speed does offer more interior parts. I just simply don't have the time to go through every product as it loads up here. But you can see it's a great looking product, relatively cheap as some of the prices aren't loading. Here we go. Relatively cheap, just the pages keep going on and on. As you can see, more than 8 pages worth of product. So next up, guys, we got some exterior parts, so make sure to tell me,
what do you think of this?
So our first product is a product from Camaro Swag. It's the third brake light vinyl here. So you can see you can enter any text, and they have multiple color options, which is pretty cool. Also, they have different text options. So pretty neat. And I'm going to show this on my car here so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. Also need to mention it's only 15 bucks. Now this next product is so cool you will literally crap yourself. So this is a product from Camaro Swag. Again, it's mirror vinyl set that actually extends into the interior as well. As you can see your rear view mirror vinyl there. But there's your exterior mirrors, and this thing has different options. You can do the SS Deluxe and RS ZL1, things like that. And then you got different colors. And just overall great looking product. I can show it on my car here. And it goes for $35. So now we have these custom fender emblems here. I actually bought them off Amazon. The flags are gloss black. You see here there's different options where you can actually get the colored flags. It goes for $21.99, which isn't bad. If we take a look at my car, I actually painted the Camaro letters crush orange with a fine tip paintbrush to tie everything together. So yeah, guys, on top of those emblems, you got some RS emblems that you can get here in multiple colors off of Amazon for pretty cheap. You see about 25 bucks, just varies on color. And if you got an SS and you're watching, they have actually a wider variety of colors for the SS, which is pretty cool. Like, look at that purple and green, man. That's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, if there's anything in this video that you've seen that you like today, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll gladly drop a link to that product. Also, feel free to check out the rest of the channel here. You can click the videos tab, scroll down. As you can see, we're going on 96 videos for the V6 Camaro, not including this video. And if you want them more, organized for you, and you can go off interior, exterior, whatever, hit the playlist tab, and you can see everything organized for you there. Nice and neat. Also, guys, if you want to keep up with the car or future plans for the channel, feel free to go check out my Instagram. You see typing out down there, JCS__customs. Also, the big thing in the world right now is TikTok. I have a personal TikTok that I really don't use, but I have went out and created a TikTok for the car. So you can see it here. Feel free to go follow that. I've posted 3 or 4 videos, I think 3. So feel free to go follow that. And we'll get some things started on that as well. So I want to thank y'all for clicking and watching today. And like I mentioned before, feel free to go down below and leave a comment, and I'll gladly help you guys out. Also, please, if you like today's video, smash the like and subscribe button down below. Until next time, YouTube, I appreciate y'all watching. Peace out.